Good morning, everybody. Glad you're here today. Picked up a few tickets. I've got a couple of Lady Lucks, which I've not played in a while, and a couple of $200 million cash explosions. So I got tickets number 59 and 60 on Lady Luck, and we've got 36 and 37 on cash explosion. So let's see if Lady Luck will warm back up to me like she did in the beginning. She got cold on me. All right. Got a match win. You get the luck symbol, you double the prize. And in the beginning, we're finding that luck symbol like crazy. All right, we got 31, 29, 14, my lucky number 23, and 11. We got a 2, 33, 22, 19, and a 5. 13, 18, come on, luck symbol. Hey, got a winner, 29, 29, all right. Anything else? Hey, we got the luck symbol, all right. All right. And 32, so just going to be the 29 and luck symbol. Well, let's see what we got. Under the 29, we've got 10, and under the luck symbol, we got a $20 winner. Very nice, very nice. Maybe she likes me again. All right, can we go back to back? Ticket number 60. All right, let's find out. I feel like it's been forever since I found that luck symbol. 20, 22, 34, 21, and a 4. Maybe we can go back to back like we did in the beginning. $29, 7, got a 5, 18, maybe next row here, 30, 32, 36, 35, and 8. No, just need that first ticket on the Lady Luck. Well, let's try our cash explosion. Start off with 36. All right, match win. If you get the money bag, it is auto win, and the 20 times symbol is 20 times the prize. We found the money bag, but we have not found the 20 times symbol yet. Maybe today. We got a 17, 14, 21, 7, 16, 2, and an 8. See if we can make this a profit session. Come on, 20 times, 20 times. 32, 24, 23, and a 30. Hey, got a winner, 8 and 8, all right. Let's find some helpers. 6, got a 9, 1, 33, and a 4. 40 and 3. Nope, just going to be matching 8s. All right, let's see if something big under the 8s. We got, hey, $10 break even. All right, we're at $30, and we have spent 30, so we're at a break even session. Let's see if we can't go back to back and make a little profit. Ticket number 37. We got 22, 4, 40, 3, 11, 37, and 17. Now would be a nice time for that 20 times to pop up. Or lots of money bags. We've had some good wins with multiple money bags. Come on, 20 times. Let's find some profit. 28, 24, 2, 29, and a 34. Last row save. Hopefully 30, 27, 7, 9, and nope, we're going to get a break-even session. Got back $30 today. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great and lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.